Welcome to Hatch. In this video, we'll show you how to create and manage your projects on the platform. Start by clicking on the Projects tab from the main dashboard. Click the Create New Project button. Enter your project name. Once you're done, click Create Project to set up your new project. Adding files to your project is easy. You can drag and drop files directly into this area, or use the Upload File button. Hatch supports a variety of file types, including PDFs, images, and 3D models. For faster 3D uploads, you can use our plugins for tools like SketchUp, Revit, and Rhino to upload models directly into your project. Once your files are uploaded, you can manage them easily. Right-click on a file to open the Context menu, where you'll find options to rename or delete files. For example, to rename a file, select Rename and type in the new name. To collaborate with others, click the Share button in your project view. Enter the email addresses of your team members and select their roles. You can choose between Editor for full access, Commenter for feedback-only access, or Viewer for read-only permissions. Once done, click Send Invite, and your collaborators will receive an email to join. To change a collaborator's role, click the Share button. You'll see a list of all collaborators and their current roles. Use the drop-down menu next to their name to switch roles. For example, you can change someone from Editor to Viewer if they no longer need editing access. The changes are saved automatically. And that's it. You've successfully created a project, added files, and invited your team. You're now ready to collaborate efficiently using Hatch.